Karsten Group specializes in growing, packing, marketing and exporting high-quality fresh fruit. Our vertically integrated value chain enables us to manage every step of the fruit journey, from cultivation and harvesting to cold storage, logistics and global distribution. This ensures consistent product quality, food safety and exceptional service to our customers worldwide.
The previous system had multiple touch points and manual approvals, and that was a problem with the delaying of the process. When the documentation came in from the farm managers or the different farms, the manual filing took a lot of time and attention.
Before, everything was very manual, running on Excel. It was very easy to make mistakes.
We weren't running a live system, and we were not processing information and data the same way. Orders and invoices took very long to process due to managers not being able to authorize orders and invoices in time. That then caused a bottleneck because these invoices and orders had to be transported from the various farms to the head office.
We knew we needed a platform that could handle the complexity of our multi-entity structure, integrate with our specialized systems and support mobile workflows across remote locations. After evaluating several options, Acumatica stood out for its flexibility, scalability and ease of use.
What I like about Acumatica is that it's cloud-based. We can work from anywhere. It's very easy to export information when needed and pulling reports as well. Very simple.
We implemented a mobile application system, which meant that operational teams could approve orders and invoices anytime and from anywhere.
The automated workflow ensures that the documentation and approvals are in real time, which improved the accuracy of the whole system.
The Karsten Group had the privilege of working with Distributor from Adinga for over 20 years. The implementation process was surprisingly smooth thanks to the easy design and the support from our partner Adinga. We were able to consolidate our data, streamline processes and get our teams up and running quickly.
It was quite easy to learn Acumatica, especially with the assistance and the training of the Adinga team.
The benefits the Karsten Group got from implementing Acumatica was to digitize the process procure to pay from start to finish. It also assisted them in integration with other systems to make that seamless, and it also assisted them in making use of mobile applications.
Acumatica saves us time as it's very easy to use. It's become so much easier to upload documents, to retrieve information when needed, especially for our audits. Having real-time data is very important, as when our marketers would call us and want to know where we're standing, it's very easy to pull the reports and give them an answer.
Data is very important in the farming operation. This helps us to make decisions quicker, helps us spotting trends, and helps us to discuss realization with our operational team.
Acumatica is an excellent choice if you want to modernize your operation and eliminate a paper-based system.